Hey guys, I am at the Cornwall Cold Blast Furnace. Let's go see what this is about. It's a little windy out here. This property is placed on the National Register of Historic Places of the United States Department of Interior. Ooh, it's really windy out here. Someone's down there fishing. Oh, this thing is huge. So this is the Cornwall Furnace. The Confederate States of America in 1862 commissioned the Noble Brothers of Rome, Georgia, to erect a cold blast furnace to produce needed pig iron for the war. I'm just out walking. I'm at the Cornwall Furnace. It was built in like 1862, I think. They have a little pavilion here with a chimney. So you can come in and have a picnic in this park. And build you a fire. They got a little outhouse here for you. When you open it up, it's a porta-john with a bird's nest in it. But there's no birds. How about that? Come up on this abandoned house. It is private property, so I won't go any further. Standing on the road. This is the barn to the old place. It says, looks like HBB Ranch. Got a tree growing up through it.